All right, so we are on day 3 of Fundations for this week. So we're going to start by going over our vowel sounds, our digraphs, and our glued sounds. All right, we have A, apple, A, E, ed, I, itch, O, octopus, U, up, WH, whistle, CH, chin, cha, SH, ship, sh, TH, thumb, th, CK, sock, k, ALL, ball, all, AM, ham, am, AN, fan, an, ANG, fang, ang, ANK, bank, ank, ING, ring, ing, INK, pink, ink, ONG, song, ong, ONK, honk, onk, UNG, lung, ung, UNK, junk, unk, ILD, wild, isled, IND, find, ind, OLD, cold, old, OLT, colt, olt, OST, post, ost. And we're also going to add in a new sound. We talked about this on Monday when we were adding the suffix s to some of our words. Sometimes our s sound makes a different sound. It is a hard s and it makes the z sound. So we have s snake s and s bugs z. So there's our new s sound. All right, we're also going to go over our first three rows of vowel teams. AI, bait, A. AY, play, A. EE, jeep, E. EA, eat, E. EY, key, E. OI, coin, oi. OY, boy, oi. We're going to do those one more time. AI, bait, A. AY, play, A. EE, jeep, E. EA, eat, E. EY, key, E. OI, coin, oi. OY, boy, oi. All right, now we have a word of the day today. So, what is the opposite of softest? There is our word of the day. So we're going to say s, a, f, t. So we've got soft. So what suffix are we going to put? We've got soft, est. We're going to put the suffix est to make it softest. How many things are we comparing when we use the suffix est? We're normally comparing at least 2 things, sometimes even 3 things, when we use the word softest. Now, when we mark up softest, we have a blend with F and T. So we're going to underline both of those letters. We're going to mark that we have a short vowel and a closed syllable. Then we're going to circle our suffix. So softest was our word of the day for today. All right, now we are actually going to get started on a Fundation story. Our story of the week this week is called Wish Come True. So I'm going to read it, and I've got some questions that we're going to ask at the end. Now remember, all these scoops right here are where we're supposed to take a breath while we're reading. So you're going to listen to me read this story. Mom and Dad were shocked that the colt was not where they had left him. They checked the yard and the shed. They even called the man who had sold them the colt to see if it had gone there. The man went out and checked the stalls, but the colt was not there. Beth called the cops to tell them the colt was missing. The cops felt that it was one of the oddest calls that they got. They told Beth that no one had seen a small colt. Beth begged them to find the colt. The cops said they would do their best. Beth felt sad. She had wished for a colt. Most wishes do not come true, but this one had. It is sad to have a wish come true and then bolt. She had a pet colt, but had not even met it yet. Beth hung her chin and began to sob. Then she felt something cold and wet on her neck. She sat up, and there was her colt. She hugged him, and he licked her hands. "Mom and Dad," she yelled, "my colt has come back." So my first question is, what is this story about? Now I want to know, who are the main characters of our story? I'm looking for 3 main characters. I also want to know, where does this story take place? What is the setting of the story? Is there a problem or a challenge in the story? And if there is a challenge, how does the character handle the challenge? All right, that is it for us for Fundations today. Keep up the good work. I miss you, and I can't wait to see you again. Have a great day, bud.